Welcome! In today's video, we're going to walk you through the steps to permanently delete your Roblox account. Whether you're taking a break from the platform or have made the decision to move on, we'll show you exactly how to do it. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll need to do is open up a web browser on your Android device. Once you've done that, go to the Roblox Support page. You can easily find it by typing in the URL roblox.com/support. Next, log into your Roblox account if you haven't already. Make sure you're signed in with the account you want to delete. Once you're logged in, you'll need to fill out the support form. In this form, you'll provide some key details, including your username and email address. This information is necessary for Roblox Support to identify your account and handle your request. After filling out the basic information, you'll need to select a category for your request. In the Categories section, choose Data Privacy Requests. Then, in the subcategory drop-down, select Right to be Forgotten. This subcategory is specifically for account deletion requests. In the description box, explain that you want to permanently delete your Roblox account. You can simply write something like, "I would like to delete my account permanently." Make sure to be clear and concise in your message. Once you've filled out the form, click on Submit to send your request to Roblox Support. After submitting the form, all you have to do is wait for a response. Roblox Support will follow up with you to confirm the deletion of your account. And that's it. After Roblox processes your request, your account will be permanently deleted, and you'll no longer have access to your profile or game data. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more useful guides.